Hi friends, welcome to another video from Doogie's Dugout. Today I was at the local Walgreens and they have these mystery box packs for $10 a piece. I decided to take a risk on them. Each one contains 2 factory sealed packs plus 1 mystery card per box. So I thought, well, let's see what these are about. So let's rip open these and see what we have. If you guys like what you see, if you guys like watching me rip open stuff, go ahead and subscribe and like. I'd appreciate it. Let's see what this has to offer. We have, looks like a one touch with Rizal Iglesias from 2014 Panini. At least it's a one touch, so I'll take that. Nice. So you get a one touch with the pack. That's $5 roughly. There's $5 there. Then you get Topps Series 1 of 2022. That's a retail pack. And then you get a Diamond Kings 2019 from Panini. Interesting. I've never opened these up. Let's see what this is all about. From Diamond Kings, Max Scherzer, Christian Stewart. We have a Team Heroes of Adam Jones, Ozzy Albies, and Jose Altuve. These are pretty cool cards from Panini. So then the last pack is a retail pack of Series 1 Topps 2022. Let's see what this has inside. Vladdy. And Christian Yelich follows that up. Stars of MLB. We got one more to go. That's $10 right there. Let's see what the last $10 brings us. Again, these are at Walgreens. They're $10 a piece. We get, wow, we got the cover boy. Did we get the cover boy on that? Look at that. We actually got the cover boy. Rookie card of Juan Soto. Are you kidding me? What? Is that signed? That can't be a real signature. On the back of the card? Guys, I have no idea what this card is. It says it's a Topps. But that can't be his autograph on the back. Anyway, that's pretty cool. I actually got the cover boy of the mystery box. How about that? I'll take that. And then we have a Topps 2019 Gallery National Baseball Card Day. Huh. I guess that's kind of cheap, but then we have a retail pack of 2022. Wonder what this is about. I've never opened up one of these either, but I'm sure it's not the best. We got some coupons if you guys want to use them. I'm sure they expired. Yep, expires 12/31 of 19. Ronald Acuna Jr. How about that? Topps Gallery. We have a Cal Ripken Jr., Clayton Kershaw, and a Ken Griffey Jr. Holy cow. Topps Gallery Baseball will be sold at your local Walmart November of 19. How about that? What a pack. And we will rip open the retail pack of 2022 Series 1. Looking for the Franco rookie. There's my boy Trout. And that was another base. Here's a Juan Soto, Stars of MLB. So, to top it off, that was pretty nice. You get 2 packs. That was nice to get the Juan Soto. I've never seen that card before, so it's kind of interesting to see. And I don't know. I'd die if that was a real auto. There's no indication saying it's a real auto, though. If you guys know, let me know. But that's pretty cool to pull the cover boy off this mystery box. So if you guys like this product, you can pick it up at your Walgreens for $9.99. Like I did. I picked up 2 boxes. And I was quite impressed. These alone right here, these one-touches go for $5 a piece or so. Plus you get 2 packs. So I think it's worth it. It's a good deal. Thanks for watching. I will be opening up some archive series 2022 tomorrow. If you guys want to see what that's about, see what I get 2 of them coming tomorrow, 2 boxes. If you guys want to check that out, I will be opening that up. And thanks for coming and watching my show, my video. Till next time, take care. God bless.